Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back for another video. Today's video is going to be all about incorporating a daily magical routine into your life. Now, why am I making this video? Because I'm asked constantly, how do you incorporate magic daily into your life? How do you become just a little more spiritual? And what is my routine? So I'm not going to lay out my entire routine for you. I don't really have an entire routine anyway. There's just certain things that I try to do on a daily basis to really keep me in that frame of mind and on my spiritual path. So the first one I feel like is one of the most important. And so we'll talk about that first. And that is getting yourself up about 30 minutes early. I know this can be quite difficult, but it is definitely worth it. So even if you have a job and kids and you have to go early, if you get up 30 minutes early, you can get yourself all ready for the day. And before you have to wake up your kids or your spouse or whatever else it is, you can sit down and spend some time in daily devotion with the divine feminine energy of goddess or God, and then do a little bit of meditation to reflect on whatever it is that you're trying to work on. Now, if you're not sure what daily devotions are, we can talk about that a little bit later, but really it is just a way to spend some time with deity and connect and commune with them. Now, tip number 2 is to make sure you get some time out in nature. Now, this is super easy to incorporate because you can do this on your way out the door. Now, say that you just stop on your porch for a few minutes or put your kids in the car and then stand outside for just another minute, which I know can be distracting because even though you've got the kids all seatbelted in, they might yell, but just try to take a minute to do this. So this is really simple. All you have to do is close your eyes, lean your head back, feel the sun on your face, the breeze across your skin. Breathe in deeply through your nose and out slowly through your mouth, and do that 5 times. Then get in the car and go to daycare, work, whatever it is that you're doing. And this will help you feel renewed and refreshed and invigorated for your entire day. Mother Nature or nature in general, is just very important to have in your life. And this is just a very quick and easy way to incorporate it daily. So say it's the weekend and you're not going to work or whatever, still step out on the porch and do your 5 breaths your skin, and then go on with your day. So then tip number 3 is journaling. Now this is another good one, I think, to help incorporate that magical daily routine for yourself. So say you're keeping a dream journal. Of course, that would be done first thing in the morning because it's important that you get down your dreams if that's what you're trying to do. If you are keeping a log of your day-to-day stuff like a lot of people do, then that's done more in the evening time. So wherever journaling fits in for you is completely okay. Don't change anything about it. Just make sure you're doing it daily. The one thing I will suggest is that every day you write down something you're grateful for. This helps get your frame of mind out of just the negative stuff going on in life and helps you be a little bit more satisfied. That's a good word for it. You're a little more satisfied with where you're at because you do have things to be grateful about. No matter what's going on in life, there is something to be thankful for. Now, number 4, if you do nothing else from this list, do number 4. Number 4 is setting daily affirmations. And this is one I do every single day because affirmations are very, very powerful little things. They are. And there's a lot of scientific research to back up that affirmations are so good for our emotional and mental well-being. Now, the one thing I will definitely suggest is those I am statements, not just the affirmation. So when I make an affirmation, it is always I am and then whatever. I am abundant. I am courageous. I am brave. I am strong. I am whatever it is. It's always I am. When you say I am, it is telling your self-conscious along with your conscious and the universe, this is what you are. You firmly believe this, and then it helps raise that vibration. And so I am whatever. Just that's affirmations. Super simple too. And it's nothing elaborate. It's just something you repeat to yourself. You can change your affirmations daily, weekly, monthly, what have you, whatever it is you're working on or however you're choosing to work on it. Now, The last one is number 5. This is a super simple one, and you can also do this one in the morning or the evening, whichever works best for you. So if you're already doing daily devotions in sacred space and you have the time, then morning would be perfect for this. If not, then do it in the evening, afternoon, whenever it fits in. But so I usually do this in the evening time. Light a candle and meditate. But what am I meditating on? Whatever it is that I'm trying to focus my intention on is what I meditate on. And the way I do that is to visualize it as vividly as possible. And the most important detail is that you do it as if it's happening right now. So say you're working on trying to get a new home. When you do your visualization, you're not visualizing you're trying to get that new home. You're visualizing that you already have it. And what does that feel like, taste like, smell like? And every one of your senses, go through them and make it as real as possible and visualize it as if it's happening in this moment, right now, today. All right, beautiful souls, there's your 5 tips to help you make a daily magical routine. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped. And if you have any things that you do on a daily basis that you consider your magical routine, make sure you let me know, because I'm always curious to see what other people do. So you have a very blessed day, and we'll talk soon.